Hi guys, this is Jayberry. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to take a tour of Kegudi, a pristine wildlife sanctuary nested in the heart of Karnataka in India. Known for its diverse flora and fauna, this sanctuary is an ideal destination for wildlife enthusiasts and nature lovers like me. Join us as we take you through the natural wonders of Kegudi, an experience that will transport into the wild and deep within the captivating forest of Western Ghats. The Kegudi Wildlife Sanctuary is located in the Chamarajanagar district of Karnataka, bordering the Bandipur Tiger Reserve to north and the famous Mudulmalai National Park in Tamil Nadu. This sanctuary spans over 1000 square kilometers, making it one of the largest protected areas in the state. And this is the elephant camp where they use the structures to train the elephants, and during the morning and evening times you can find the elephants here. Here, the dense forest, teeming with variety of flora and fauna, offers an incredible chances to spot wildlife in their natural habitat. The sanctuary is a home to the majestic Bengal tiger, one of the key species that draws wildlife enthusiasts to this region. Though elusive and often hidden in the dense jungle, the tiger's presence is a reminder of the delicate balance that exists within the ecosystem. But the tigers are just the beginning. Kegudi is a heaven for variety of wildlife species, from the graceful spotted deer and the mighty Asian elephants. The sanctuary is a home to a wide array of animals, birds, and reptiles. Wandering through the forest is a spectacular sight that you will never forget.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಅವನು ಕಾಂತಾರ ಮೂವಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಲ್ಲ ಆ ಥರ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೆ.
There is a small temple dedicated to Sri Kyateshwara Swami, and the location of this name, Kegudi, is came up by this temple's deity name, that is Sri Kyateshwara Swami. And this deity has been worshipped by the local tribals around this place. And this is 20 kilometers from the Bihar Hills, so it's one of the cozily nested in the nature.
ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಇದೆ ಒಂದು ರೌಂಡ್ ಹೊಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
If you're a bird watcher, Kegudi is truly a paradise. The sanctuary offers a rich biodiversity of avian life. The Indian hornbill, with its distinctive beak, can be spotted in the canopy, while various species of eagles, vultures, and woodpeckers fill the skies. The rich bird life combined with the sounds of chirping rustling leaves and flowing water creates a symphony of nature that's hard to describe. You need to experience it here.
ಈ ಕೇಗುಡಿ ಹೆಸರು ಈ ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನದಿಂದ ಬಂದಿದೆ.
One of the most exciting aspects of Kegudi is the opportunity to stay within the sanctuary itself. The Kegudi camp, run by Jungle Lodges and Resorts, offers a unique chance to stay close to the nature while enjoying a modern amenities. Guests can choose from luxurious tents or comfortable cottages, all designed to blend seamlessly with their surroundings. The real adventure begins when you venture out on a safari. The sanctuary offers both day and night safaris where you can explore the wilderness on a guided jeep tours. The cost would be around 500 per head, so it's reasonable. You can try it out. As the sun sets and the jungle comes alive with the sound of nocturnal creatures, the thrill of night safari is unparalleled. Imagine the excitement of spotting wild animals like leopards, tigers, jackals, and even elusive cats, all in their natural habitats. The trained guides at Kegudi add immense value to the experience. Their expertise in identifying animal tracks, understanding bird calls, and spotting camouflaged wildlife ensures that you get the most out of your safaris. They also educate visitors about conservation efforts being undertaken in the region, making your visit not only enjoyable but also insightful. Conservation is at the heart of Kegudi's mission. The sanctuary is dedicated to preserving the delicate balance of its ecosystems, and the efforts to protect the wildlife here are immense. Anti-poaching patrols, wildlife monitoring programs, and habitat restoration projects are all under the part of large initiative to ensure that Kegudi remains a sanctuary for future generations to experience and enjoy this nature. As your time at Kegudi comes to an end, you will live with memories of a place that is more than just a sanctuary. It's a place where the wildlife thrives, where the nature's beauty is on a full display, and where you can connect with the worlds around you in a truly profound way. And this place is a reminder of the wonders that still exist in our world. A place where the forests speak to you and the animals, large and small, live in harmony. If you ever looking for a true escape into nature, Kegudi is calling. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Kegudi Wildlife Sanctuary. We hope this video has inspired you to plan your next adventure here. And the best time to visit to check out the greenery and the natures is after the rainy season. And if you're interested on the to spot the animals and wildlife birds, I would say visit during the summer, so that you'll be able to easily spot the animals there. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Kegudi Wildlife Sanctuary. We hope this video has inspired you to plan your next adventure here. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more wildlife explorations. Until next time, keep exploring and stay connected with the nature. Thank you.